Hi guys, following on from our list of tools that we have to use in assignment 1, I'm going to very briefly look at the clone tool in this video. Now the clone tool, like it sounds, is used for cloning parts of an image to another part of an image, and it's reasonably straightforward. So this is it over here. You see there's two options. There's the clone stamp tool and then there's the pattern stamp. We're going to use the clone stamp. I'm going to zoom in on the image. And what I want to do is, you'll see there are some options up here. We've got opacity. I'm going to set it to 100. And sometimes, depending on the competing images around, you might want to leave a certain amount of opacity or flow on it. Point being, you might not want your edges to be too hard. Okay, but in this instance, I'm going to basically copy this flower here and put it right here, and it will be surrounded by other flowers, so it's okay. So all you do is you position your mouse right in the center of the object, or at a particular part that you want. You press your Alt key till you get your little cross symbol, and you left click your mouse, and that sets the image for where it's to start cloning from. So as I hover over here, you'll see there's a little ghost image of the center of the flower. Now I'm just going to put it, I'll put it right here. Okay, and watch this. Basically, as I move around, it's actually a really handy image to do this in fairness, because as I move around, it's bordered by flowers. So because there's kind of other messy things around it, it'd be very difficult for somebody to spot that that wasn't there originally, you know. Now it's obviously painting in the same direction, if you know what I mean. Now we'll do another, right? Okay, so let's see. You can do this as many times as you want. So for something like this, let's say that's hanging down here, let's say we want to put another one over here. So what we can do is we'll go on up to, it's just about there. Press Alt, left click the mouse, and then go back up to where you want it to begin. So I'm going to choose around here, and we'll just try it and see. Okay. Now what will snooker things here will be the division in the wall. That's what will ruin it, my guess is. Oh no, it actually worked out okay. That's fine. Now sometimes you will be able to see telltale signs, like it's after going over that piece of leaf there, you know. What you do is in that instance, just use a smaller brush by hitting the left hand bracket key on your keyboard, and you just make sure that you avoid that so that you're not going too far over here. Okay, so look, that was just to give an idea. We'll be doing this in class hopefully, so the idea is just to give it a go. It might be useful when you're building your DVD covers for assignment 1. It might be useful if you don't have enough buildings in the background, or you don't have enough people in the background, and you can just clone some of the image to another part of the image, mostly seamlessly. Generally speaking, you wouldn't know they'd been cloned unless you go in and you start looking, so it's a fairly useful tool. Anyway, give it a go. If you have any problems, let me know.